Hi there, this is David Detman for socialmediaforsmallbusiness.com.au. Now, you may not be aware, but Google Plus has covers just like Facebook now. In the last demonstration, I showed you how to do this cover here. Okay. Now, this is one I did earlier today. I sort of just improved it a little bit, moved it around. But what I want to show you, we're going to go in, I'll go into another page which pretty much has not been done yet, okay? So I might go to the social network toolbars page. Okay, this is one which I did in a webinar and never got back to. That's why it's empty, okay? Which is a good place to start. Now, if you go to your profile, alright, you will see which Google Plus has just put these default headers. Now you can use Google Plus headers like this, that's fine. Okay, but what we need to do is change our cover. Alright. Now you can split it up and put individual photos, but I would recommend doing it this way. Okay. So change the photo cover. Okay, now this is where it gets technical, and I'm doing this deliberately to show you, is if we were to put, let's just say this one for instance, this is a good example, this is the one I use for Facebook, okay? It's just the one we did for Facebook. If we try uploading this, what's going to happen is Google Plus is not going to allow it, okay? And the reason why it's not going to allow it is the pixels are wrong. So you need 940 by 180. Okay, I'm writing this down. You write this down too. Okay. Now on the social network toolbar, we have this really cool tool which you can use. It's in the photo section under the gears. Okay. Now, this one is called Xheader. You need to download it. It is a paid software, but you can do things for free on it, okay, with no watermarks as well. This is what I love about this tool. Alright, so that's Xheader. This. Okay, Xheader. This is Xheader once you've downloaded it. Okay, this is a free trial on Xheader. Alright. Now what I'm going to do is, that's the one which we used as part of the other Google page, okay, and I also used it in the Facebook. But what you can do with Xheader is you can, let's start a new file, okay. Now you can create a blank template. I would recommend using a blank template this particular exercise, okay, but you can also load headers, and this one is an actual header from the gallery, alright. But just keep in mind which you need to fit your information on page, and you also, around about here for instance, you're going to have a Google Plus picture of your default picture come up, okay, so you've got to keep that in mind. So if I was to put my logo here for instance, it wouldn't work. Okay, so that's why I recommend which you just create a blank one, alright. Now each size, remember we said we need a 940, what was it, 940, okay. And then 180, okay. Okay, so we're starting with a blank. You can always come in and change the size if you did use a template, okay. Because what Xheader is really for, websites, so you might want to use this tool to advance your header on your website, put your logo and all that in. That's just what it's primary for. But what I decided to do was try Xheader, and Xheader is perfect for this new Google Plus cover. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is go to Draw, Images, and you need to find your image. Alright. Yeah, that one was made with photo cover, strangely enough. I think I will use that one. You can see I used it on a template here. Alright. Now, what we need to do is resize it. So it's within portion. Okay, I reckon that's going to be perfect. Now, there's two things you need to do. You need to save this as an X-header file. Okay, save as X-header file. Okay, so just name it. I'm going to name it Demo 2. Oh, hang on, I've got Demo 2, Demo 3. Okay, so if you want to come back to X-header and change this, so the power goes off or it doesn't look right, 3 days later you decide, oh, let's add another picture into it, you can come back and all your work's going to be saved. Okay, then you want to go once again and save. Now this is saving it as a file. You can save it as a JPEG or a PNG file, it doesn't matter. Okay, so just put it Demo 3. Okay, so we're saved as an image. Now what you want to go back to is select from your computer. Okay. And let it upload. Let's just see whether it looks right. If it doesn't look right, we can go back to X-header and muck around with it a bit, then save it again. And yes, I am doing all this on the free version too of X-header. I think the main reason you would pay for X-header is if you wanted a whole heap of different templates. Because they have really cool templates even in their free area. Okay, so it hasn't worked out the way we wanted it to work out. Okay, and this is just playing around with it. Okay. I'm even going to be a bit fancy here, because I'm actually using this. Might find. Just going to go and grab it. Grab a photo. Okay, I'm looking for a Pacific one. Oh, and the farm is very noisy today. It's like they know when I'm doing videos. Okay. It was worth the wait. There we go. I'm going to whack that in there. That's way out of proportion. Oop. Let me take. Excuse me. I just thought that would look good up there. Okay, so once again, save it. Okay, save as ping. Okay, so go back in, delete the photo. Change cover photo, select. Okay, so it was Demo 3. Oh, that's the right one. I might go and resave it. It didn't ask me whether I wanted to do the file. So we'll save it as demo 4 this time. Okay. Demo 4. Okay, back to Google Plus, select. Let's get the demo 4. So I'm just going to type. Okay, I know what's happened. I think I saved it in the main section, so here we go. There it is, right there. Okay, so open, upload it. Okay, here it comes now. Now let's see where that fits. You might need to do this a few different times. Just be patient with it. Okay, even though that picture there is missing a little bit, I'm happy with that. Okay. Now, that's done. Now the other thing you might want to consider doing, I'll do this while I'm doing the demonstration, is putting your photo in there, whatever it is. I mean, this is a business page. I mean, I could put my photo. It's just the social network toolbar, isn't it? So I might even use a straight shot from the social network toolbar. So many of them on different computers, so might just have a look. I think there's some in here. Maybe this one. No. Up. I know we've got one somewhere. Pictures. No. I know there is some toolbar stuff for our other site, our tips site. I know it's one of these files. Here we go, here's a good one. This was done with one of our tools, the Fun Photo Box, which you can also find on the social network toolbar. You know, I'm supposed to be helping you with everything else, and I'm telling you all the tips on the social network toolbar. It's a great toolbar. But as you can see there, that was done with this tool here, the Fun Photo Box. So you just select the area you wish to have. Okay, I think it's fine the way it is. Maybe just put their heads in it. Save. Now there's some life to the page. Okay. So thank you for viewing the video. Make sure you join our site. It's only $15 a month for all our trainings. Been David Detman for social media for smallbusiness.com.au.